Hi friends, Chitra here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels for 17th July levels and analysis. We can see how the Monday, that will be the 17th July, how to do trading. Okay. So here this is the weekly chart of Nifty. Here we can see that there are 3 consecutive weeks Nifty closed in green. Okay. So in the weekly chart, 3 continuous week Nifty closed in green. Although for intraday traders, there are so many pullbacks. Okay, in the higher time frame, we are still bullish for the Nifty. This is the daily time frame chart of Nifty. Okay, the moving average is 5 EMA. Okay, so the candles are trading above the 5 EMA. This shows that Nifty is still in strong bullish trend. Okay, here we can see that on 7th July, Nifty tried to close below the 5 EMA, but after the next day, Nifty gave a close above, that is above the 5 EMA. Here also 11th July also we got a green candle, that is above 5 EMA. In daily time frame, Nifty is trading above the 5 EMA. We will see in the pivot points. So this is the camera pivot point. Okay, so the Nifty exactly at R4, that is 19,594. Nifty touched the resistance zone. So if Nifty is giving breakout above this 19,594, we can see what will be the next resistance, that is the R5 level. Okay, the next resistance is 19,955. So according to camera, that is the next resistance zone. So, but here we can see that Nifty is exactly at resistance, that is 19,594. So, these are the levels for intraday traders. Okay. So, here this is the first 15 minutes candle for 15th July, that is for Friday. So, here we can see that after Nifty broke this particular level 19,483, Nifty exactly took support at 19,441. So, this is the support level for Nifty. The next resistance level is 19,483. So if Nifty has taken support, and we can see that there is a pin bar candle. So the 10-15 candle is a pin bar candle. So here this is the buying zone for Nifty. So after that again we can see the 10:45 candle also exactly pin bar candle, because buyers are aggressive at that particular level. So after that the next resistance is 19,483. Okay, and here Nifty was consolidating for a while. And exactly at 19,483, Nifty took support, and the next resistance is 19,528. Okay. So here this is the green candle and strong green candle. That is a Marboso candle. Also, after that Nifty took support. The next resistance level is 19,528. The next resistance is 19,564, which is the high of 13th July. So that will be the next resistance if you are trading on 14th. Okay, and after that Nifty broke the all-time high and Nifty went till 19,593. So if you are trading for Monday, that is for 17th July, so this will be the major resistance for Nifty, that is 19,593. So if you are giving Nifty breakout above this level, the next level will be 19,631 and 19,653. The support levels will be, if Nifty is breaking this low of 14th July, the next support will be 19,402 and 19,369. So those who are doing intraday trading can note down these levels. Coming to the OA perspective, we can see that put writers are more for Nifty. Compared to the call writers, put writers are more. The maximum OA for the put side is at 19,500. So this will act as the support for Nifty. Coming to the call side, the maximum OA is at 19,700. So 19,700 will act as a major resistance for Nifty. We can see the Bank Nifty levels, and how we can analyze how the Bank Nifty will be for 17th July. So this is the weekly chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, when compared to Nifty, it is looking little weak. Why? Because both the weeks, that is for previous week and for this week, Bank Nifty is not able to close above the 45,000. Okay, and here this is for the 3rd July week. We can see that we got that gravestone doji. Okay, this is a gravestone doji candle, and also when we see the close of this particular red candle, that is 44,925, and we see this week close, that is Bank Nifty gave a close at 44,819. Also the Bank Nifty broken the low of this previous week. This is the daily time frame chart of Bank Nifty. Here, that is for the 4th July and for the 5th July, we got 2 doji candle, and after that, Bank Nifty gave a close below the 5 EMA. So, this red EMA is the 5 EMA, and consecutively we got for the 6 days, we got the red candle. So, this shows that Bank Nifty is little bearish. We will see in the pivot point also. Here we can see that once Bank Nifty touched the R4, that is the 45,540, from there Bank Nifty made a low of 44,547. From there, after R3 breakdown, we can see that the consecutive fall for the past 6 days. Okay, so this is from the 7th July and 10th July. So till 14th July, that is till Friday, Bank Nifty was closing below the 5 EMA. Okay, so from R4, once Bank Nifty touched R4, we can see, and after that R3 breakdown also we got on 6th July, and from there we got the consecutive 6 days Bank Nifty was closing in red. In the daily time frame, if we see, all the sessions were closed in red, but the Friday close was little exception. Buyers took control here, and Friday close was this is a dragonfly doji. You see here, this is a dragonfly doji. This shows that there could be a possibility of reversal. Okay, and when we took the Fibonacci levels, we can draw from the swing low to swing high. So exactly at 0.5, Bank Nifty took support. So this shows that there should be a possibility of reversal from the 0.5 level. This is the daily time frame. We can convert this into 1 hour time frame chart. Okay, so this red candle, exactly it took the resistance. The resistance level is at 45,660, and from there we can see that there is a channel pattern is formed. So along with the channel pattern, there is a flag and pole pattern also. So when we can see a breakout above this level, or if you are getting breakdown, you can trade accordingly. These are the Bank Nifty levels for intraday traders for 17th July. So here we can see that the high of Friday candle, that is the Bank Nifty took a resistance at 44,913. From there, Bank Nifty was consolidating for a while. Okay. After that, we got a reversal from that particular level, and we got a breakdown till Bank Nifty made a low. From there, Bank Nifty made a low of 44,547. There we got the inverted hammer candle. So this is the inverted hammer candle, that is the 245 candle. From there, buyers were very strong at that particular level. So this is the major buying zone. From there, Bank Nifty, the next resistance level is 44,698 and 44,796, 44,859. So next level is the high of Friday level, that is 44,913. If you are getting any breakout above 44,913, the next level will be 45,039, and the next resistance zone is 45,139. So this will be the major level for Bank Nifty for 17th July. If you are getting any breakdown below this level, these are the support zones. So those who are trading intraday can note down these levels. So what will be the next support level after 44,544 is 44,453, 44,387. Coming to the OA perspective, the maximum call side OA is at 45,000 and the put side OA is at 44,500. So this will be the acting as a support and resistance level for Bank Nifty.